Hello and welcome to A History of Math from Pythagoras to Newton, where we cover the major math discoveries that have helped shape the world we live in today. In this lesson we cover the Cartesian coordinate system. Around the 1600s, René Descartes published his work introducing analytical geometry. This allowed geometry and algebra to be combined together on a plane called the Cartesian plane. Points are represented as coordinates xy, and the distance can be calculated using the distance formula. The distance formula is derived directly from the Pythagorean theorem. Descartes set about expressing shapes such as the circle, parabola, and the ellipse using the xy coordinates. Each of these equations is derived directly from the distance formula. It is due to the Cartesian coordinate system that we study equations of the line y equals mx plus b, graph transformations, functions, systems of equations, and everything else you learn in algebra. What Descartes basically did is express 2D space in terms of coordinates. Every single point in space can be found precisely, lines and shapes could be calculated. This was an important foundation upon which more advanced mathematics could be built on top of. If you want to know how the equations for the ellipse, the parabola, and the distance formula are derived, click on the links to the videos. Thank you for watching A History of Math. Remember to like and subscribe.